Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials working. Sign in with your Apple ID and turn on iCloud Drive so files sync automatically. Once done, update iPadOS and install the school apps you need: LMS, a PDF reader, Pages, and a good scanner. Pair your keyboard and Apple Pencil now so you can type and mark up quickly. Make sure Bluetooth is on and test keyboard shortcuts. This saves minutes every day and prevents interrupting workflow later. You next build a repeatable workflow. Create class folders in files and subject notebooks in Notes so everything is findable. Once organized, use Split View to have your textbook or LMS on one side and Notes or Pages on the other, and use Slide Over for quick reference. Set tags and consistent file names like Subject Date Assignment. Also, create shortcuts for exporting PDFs, zipping, or sending to your teacher. Automation removes friction and keeps you focused on the work. You finish by exporting work as a flattened PDF with annotations preserved. Double-check the file name and open it to confirm formatting. Then upload to your LMS or share a cloud link and verify the timestamp or submission receipt. Once submitted, archive the file in a done folder and enable automatic backups. If something goes wrong, try toggling iCloud Drive, reconnecting Wi-Fi, or restarting the iPad. These steps resolve most sync and upload errors quickly so you don't miss deadlines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.